In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a self-describing link because I learned that some of you haven't done this in slides before. So here's the image that I got off of Flickr, and I'm getting ready to make my attribution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the word cross. That's the name of the image. I still have that cross up here on Flickr, and this is the source of the image here. You can see I have the information about the name of it and who made this image. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. This is the source of where this image lives on the internet. I'm going to come back over to my slides, and I'm going to come up to this little icon here that allows me to paste in that URL, turning the word cross into a hyperlink. So I would continue doing that for the other parts of the attribution that needs link. Hope this is helpful.